guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to see a sheet metal tutorial. Anyway, like this will be part 4. Okay, so let's get into the video. First of all, let's click on new and click the default template and let's change it as sheet metal. Okay, either if you want to change the file name you can. Okay, so then our unit MMNS. Yeah, so in our like for the past 3 part videos we have seen planar, extrude, flat, flange, and in our last video we have seen the bend tool, right? So we will see what are all the types of bend tool we have in this sheet metal. Okay, so under this drop down we will have some 2 types of bend. Okay, so we will see that. Okay, so one will be edge bend and one will be planar bend. Okay, so let's have a tutorial on that. Okay, so first of all, for that let me create a profile. So front sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. Simply like I'm just going to draw a center rectangle like this. Okay, no dimensions. Okay, so what's the use of planar tool and extrude tool? So for planar we will create this as a like a wall, like a first plane surface. So in extrude, anyway it will be extruded as a surface part, like a solid part, or a not fully solid, it will be have some thickness, right, like a shell part, right? So this is the purpose of extrude. But if you get into the extrude, let me just have an extrude value of 200 and we can make it as a symmetric extrude, and on this we have to fix the thickness. Let me keep this as a 5. So I haven't turned on anything, but you can see we have a curvature in here, but on the sketch we haven't added any fillet or any round tool there. Okay, so we just have some sharp edge rectangle, but here we have this rounded edges when it comes to extrude. But for every sheet metals, if we are going to bend, we will use this bend option like this curvature, but for some cases we don't use this, we need some sharp edges, right? So for that directly we can go for the options. Here you can see add bend on sharp edges, so we can unclick this, so you can see we have a sharp edge here. Or else if we need to change this bend radius, okay, directly go for the radius and you can type manually on your radius. Okay, and also you can access this like whether this is inside or outside. Okay, so right now like we will see what if like we are going to switch off this, right? So what if how we can manually add this curve bend apart from this extrude. Okay, so let's click on OK, let it be as a extruded part. So now in our previous, like if we are going to for a part modeling, you can able to see a round tool like somewhere here, right? So you can directly round by clicking on this edge, but here we don't have a round option. So instead of that we have inside this bend we have an edge bend. Okay, so what is the use of this edge bend is, right, if we select the edge it will be automatically created as a bend, right? So by holding on the control key you can select multiple edges like this. Okay, so this is how, and here you can see this is thickness inside and this will be thickness outside. Here you can see. Okay, so let me just undo everything. Okay, here outside, the outside edge. Okay, so this will be thickness inside, right? Okay, so here in this option, like we will have 2 options in here. One will be thickness outside and one will be thickness inside. So that's the main thing that we have to concentrate in here. And also you can adjust the thickness here for the bend 2 into thickness, or you can manually add a radius for this for a thickness value. Okay, and one more thing, here there is no relief, but if you need to add any relief here you can have in here. Okay, if you guys have no idea about this relief, you can watch my previous part. Okay, so there I will be explaining about this. Okay, so other than this, and like everything will be fine, right? So this is a edge blend, so directly you can click OK and you can see your edge part has been created. Either like if you are going to do this part you can directly do that on the extrude itself. Okay, so I'm just going to like I'm just telling there is an option for this edge bend. Okay, and here also you can access wait, let me just undo this. You can create multiple radius for a single edge. Okay, this edge I'm just going to add this as 10. Okay, so you can select this edge without clicking on the control key, and if you change this to 20, only this one will be changed. And without pressing control key, you can select that and you can edit this as 80. Okay, only that thing will be changed. Okay, not all. So by holding on the control key, you can change all at the same time. Okay, so this one is the first edge bend right here. So the next one is planar bend. So for that, let me undo everything. So front sketch, I'm just going to create some different profile for this planar, because the planar in the name itself you can able to see like we are going to bend this entire plane, right? So yeah, dimension let it be. Okay, I'm just going to make this as a planar, thickness 5. Okay, and yeah, everything is fine. So what is planar bend is like, this is a plane, right? So we are just going to twist that into like a different shape here. Okay, let me just get into that. Okay, first of all, let's go for the planar bend. You can see nothing has been changed here. We just have a menu manager in here. Here we have two options, one is angle and one is roll, right? So first of all, let's see what is angle. Let's get into the angle. Once you click on angle, click on done, and here you can see bend options, some tools in here. So these are all the required things that we need to select. Okay, bend table, sketch, bend angle, radius, and bend side. So first of all, bend table. For the default, we have a part bend table, right? So I'm just going to use this and done. So next one is sketch. So for the sketch, we have to like we have to select the plane in here. I'm just going to select this surface. After selecting the surface, you can see the direction. So we have to select the direction, whether this is upside or downside. Okay, let me flip that and let's click on OK. And what is our sketch view? Like let me just go for the default sketch view, or else if you have some specified sketch view like right view, top view, you can go on with that, but I'm just going to select the default sketch view. Okay, once you go for the sketch view, we can directly move for the sketch view. Okay, so here I am just going to draw a line like this. So this is like what's the meaning of the line is like, from here till this line I'm just going to bend this entire thing, but apart from this line I need this part to be on a straight line, right? So yeah, after creating this you can able to understood that. Let's click on OK, and after clicking that you can see bend side, which side we need to bend. I need to bend on the back side, so I'm just going to flip that and OK. So what is the direction, which direction you just want to bend that? Okay, so if that is, if like this will be bent, I need this direction. Okay, so let me just flip this also. Okay, and degree, what is the degree for bending this? Okay, let me just go for the default of 90 and let's click on done. And what is the like bending radius? So you can also add thickness into 2, or else you can add a value like manually. Let me just enter a value of 100 here. Okay, and what is this like direction? Okay, like let me just everything, just click on OK and just try to give preview in here. You can see like this part has been bent and this is not bent, right? So we can go in here, we can adjust everything in here. Okay, so bend angle, let me just define that. Okay, bend angle is like done. Bend side, let me define that, and flip. Okay, and let's have a preview in here. Okay, this is a bend side, so I don't want this. Oh, okay, sketch. Okay, 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 now we can flip that and direction. Okay, preview. Okay, okay, I need this part to be bent, so I think we have, wait, sketch. Okay, define. Okay, so bend side, this is my bend side. Okay, so direction, opposite direction. Okay, preview. Okay, I think the direction will be on the back side, right? Wait, even though I have some Okay, this is this bend side, but we have to edit that on the sketch. Okay, so okay, okay, preview. Okay, yeah, that's right, that's right. So this is by bend side, but you can see the direction will be on the other side. Okay, so if I click on OK, you can see, so the line on the left side, you can see this is bent, on the other side it is not bent. Okay, so if you click on OK, you see like we have done our bend part. But even though you can go for it again, and here you can see we have defined everything right, so you can adjust the bend angle, like you can go for the 60, and you can have a preview on it. Okay, so this is bend angle, right? And then for the bend radius, you can define and you can enter the value, and you can like manually you can add everything, like you can go for 150, you can have a preview on that, and you can adjust that. Okay, everything. So this is what it means, right? So everything, I think apart from that bend angle, radius and bend side, you can definitely change that, you can define that, and you can flip that. And after clicking OK, you can have a preview and you can change that. Okay, I think I haven't changed, right? Flip. Okay, preview. Oh, wait, okay, preview. Yeah, this is right. So that's all, guys. So this is first tool in here. So here also, like I forgot, right? There is one more thing. Let me undo the bend. Okay, so this is the first planar, right? So let me just go for the planar bend again. But first of all, we have done angle, so next we have roll, right? So let's go for the roll, and done. So here the same, the bend table, use the part bend table, done. So sketch, let's plane, and select the plane, and what is the direction? Towards up. Okay, default. Go for the sketch view. Here I'm just going to draw a same line in here. Okay, so yeah, after defining the sketch, okay, bend side, okay, we can flip that. So now we have, like, we are beware of that, right? Direction, okay, so I'm just going to enter a value of 100 in here, and direction, okay, this direction, that's fine, we can change it that later on. Let's have a preview, and here you can see this is a roll, right? We are just rolling the entire part in here. Okay, so here also, like, we will have, wait, let me just oh yeah, wait, what is this radius set? Okay, we enter a very minimum value. I just want to have a look, because this is not a dimensioning thing, right? Okay, so this is roll. So what is here is, if we define this in here, okay, sorry, I have to exit the sketch. Okay, and here you can see the entire part has been rolled out, right? So because the half part in here, you can see this is a line that we have created. So apart from this, everything has been created as a roll. If you need this diameter to be this radius to be a bigger, you can adjust that, go for the define, and enter some separate value, 100. Okay, you can have a preview in here, and here you can say okay, so this is a line, and you can see this is apart from that. Okay, or yeah, here in this sketch also you can define yourself, like let me just delete this, go for the sketch view. In here also you can draw a line, and you can directly click on okay, and preview. Okay, you can see this side has been collided here. Okay, so everything is up to you, you can practice whatever you want. Okay, so let's go for the sketch again. So here we just have some separate value. Okay, flip side, let's flip it. Okay, direction. Okay, let's have a preview in here, and okay, that's all. Okay, or else if you need this entire part to be flipped, like this bend, let me just go for the sketch it again, and we have here 400. Yep, and okay, direction, I think flip. Okay, Okay, preview. So okay, so I think we have radius. I think we have some error on this radius. Sorry, just have used the parameter. Okay, for the radius, let's have a bigger value. Yeah, so now we can see everything is bent. Okay, so you can check, but because we are not using any dimensions, right? So that's the problem. So for 100 you can see it like this part has been like it can't able to create that. For thickness, okay, let's have 200. Okay, so this is right. So yep, so that's all guys. So this is what this bend tool is. So you can work on it and you can find on like various solutions for here. Okay, so that's all guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos written mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. Okay, so thank you guys. We will see the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.